Today we're going to delve into the process of exporting your valuable data from Pipedrive, and then crucially how to securely leverage this information within the realm of artificial intelligence. Let's get started with that. Once you've logged into Pipedrive, I'm sure you already know exactly where you can export your information. You simply need to navigate to the Tools section, and from there you can then proceed to the Export option. From this point, you have the capability to export various types of data, which includes your leads, your deals, organizations, individual contacts, products, ongoing activities, specific projects, important notes, and all associated files. If you'd like to export absolutely every single deal, you can certainly do that right here. But my personal recommendation is to approach this a bit differently. Instead, please navigate to the comprehensive list view of all your deals. You're now presented with a table showing all your deals, whether they are currently open, successfully won, or perhaps even lost. After that, you will define precisely which columns you wish to export, meaning the specific data you intend to feed into the artificial intelligence system. To do this, simply navigate to the Settings menu. And here, for example, you can choose to remove the requirement of having a contact person for that particular deal. Instead, you can add details such as the exact win time when the deal was initially created, the loss time when the deal was ultimately closed, and other similar relevant information. At this moment, you can see we have a table prepared detailing the deal's name, its value, the source from which it was created, the owner, its current status, when it was last updated, the reason for its loss, when it was won, and other similar information. This is already a data set that is sufficiently anonymous, so you wouldn't endanger your customers if you were to give it to artificial intelligence. On the other hand, there's enough significant and interesting information that can already generate excellent reports and provide you with various insights through which you can manage your business more effectively. Now simply export the given set. So 3 dots, export filter results. We will export this data directly into an Excel file, and then we'll proceed to download it. Within all of your exports, you can clearly see that we have successfully created an export file right here, and you can download it again at any time you need. Now let's move on to the topic of artificial intelligence. In our example, we'll be utilizing the Claude tool, but you can certainly use other tools as well, whether it's ChatGPT, Gemini, or any similar platforms currently available on the market. I'll demonstrate precisely how we'll accomplish this within Claude. I've prepared a specific prompt for us to use, which states, Claude, I'm providing you with a list of all the deals from Pipedrive. Imagine you're the best sales director. Find me the greatest insights and information crucial for sales management. Then create a visual dashboard for me to display these insights. You can use this exact same prompt, and if you want to use it, you'll find it in the video description. At this point, we're going to upload the file and then allow the artificial intelligence to start processing. Let's take a look at what artificial intelligence has come up with. We have a nice dashboard here where we can clearly see the status of our deals, how many deals we've successfully won, the total number of open deals currently in our pipeline, what the average length of our sales cycle is, and also the median time for closing deals. Additionally, on this dashboard, we can identify our top performing salespeople. We also have crucial key insights available, which include the primary reasons why we might be losing deals. We can see precisely where all of our new deals are coming from. We also see which particular month, for example, was our most successful and who our very best salesperson is. Here, within those insights, we can clearly see, for example, that our colleague Ondrej is not only our best salesperson, but also represents the biggest risk for the company, because he alone drives 61% of all our successfully won deals. If you have such a person, you must replicate their skills among other sales reps and also pamper them a bit so they don't leave you, of course, or expect that when they go on vacation, you might see a certain drop in sales. The report is great, but you can create such a report in Pipedrive too. Those insights are already an additional layer. And what's the absolute best part? You can continue to collaborate with this artificial intelligence and generate even more insights that you specifically require. For example, we might want to compare how individual sales representatives' deal closing times vary amongst themselves to see if they differ significantly or if they are all identical. After a short while, we can clearly see what the results are. Here we observe a group of individuals who are truly fast at closing deals, and then we also see another group for whom it takes a significantly long time. We can examine the comparison of the speed versus the volume or overall size of that particular deal. We can see other interesting insights, like that the highest quality and best is probably around 40 days for the closure period. And again, a comment that will illustrate everything else you have there, and you can continue. You can really come up with a lot. This is a complete game changer for your business and your sales. Check it out, try it, and in the comments, let me know what prompt you used or what data you displayed, and if it truly worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and that's all from me.